As pharmaceutical companies look for ways to improve their competitiveness globally, they will need to focus on improving time to market and production process performance to maximize productivity and quality. Imagine being able to connect your process development, manufacturing, and quality teams so you can aggregate, contextualize, and analyze data from disparate electronic and paper systems across your global operations, making it easy to share insights and knowledge that improve decision-making. Manufacturing excellence for BioPharma helps life sciences companies speed up time to market with more competitive products because your teams can quickly identify, understand, monitor, and improve process and product variability. With the solution, you can create a robust and sustainable commercial production process through data clarity, monitor performance of critical production operations with improved analytics and reporting, identify and correct causes of variability in a validated environment, and improve efficiency and reduce costly rework by leveraging prior process knowledge. Harness the power of data-driven processes and create pharmaceutical products faster, as designed and as registered, with manufacturing excellence for BioPharma. Discover more.